Hi, I'm Louise from the Cotswold Sewing School. Before qualifying professionally as a soft furnishing maker, I had never sewn. I had no background in sewing, and I quickly realised that anybody can do it. There is nothing that brings me greater pleasure than seeing total beginners arriving at our courses, perhaps with a little anticipation, and leaving full of confidence with their newly acquired skills to know that they can go and create professional quality soft furnishings in their own homes. And that's how the Cotswold Sewing School was born. For years, I've been bringing my clients into the Cheltenham showroom of Just Fabrics because of the vast choice of quality fabrics available. We've come together to show you how our students are bringing these quality fabrics to life by creating bespoke soft furnishings, and you can too.